Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, ensure battery is at or above 50%, and accept that this process erases user data. Once backed up, power off the Oppo K12X 5G. Then, press and hold volume down and power together until the recovery menu appears. This is the secure entry into factory tools. Make sure to release when you see the recovery logo. If nothing appears, try again with a longer press and verify the device stayed powered off between attempts. Once in recovery, you navigate using volume keys and confirm with power. This prevents accidental taps from the touchscreen. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset to remove all user accounts and settings. This restores system defaults. You must confirm twice, so read prompts carefully, because this step deletes personal data. After confirming, let the phone complete the wipe. It can take a few minutes, and a progress indicator or system logs will show completion, which means the core reset succeeded. You finish by selecting Reboot System Now and allowing the K12X 5G to boot into its fresh setup. Initial boot may take longer than usual. If the phone enters a boot loop, make sure to return to recovery and perform the wipe again, plus select Wipe Cache Partition if available. This clears temporary system files. If problems persist, use Oppo's official PC firmware tool to reinstall the stock ROM. This resolves deeper software.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.